So, what is it? It's only FPV Friday at long bloody last. It's arrived. The DJI Avata 360 has come to me. It's only taken them 2 months, but it's here at long last. And today, the day that I can only get out to fly, it's windy. So anyway, we're just going to do a bit of a mess about, because I've never flown it. This is the first time I've come out and flown this drone, so it'll be interesting. In the wind. I forgot to give you a comparison, guys, as to how big this is. It's not, to be quite honest, it's not that much bigger from what people were saying on the videos. It's big, yeah, it's bigger than obviously the Avata 2, but I was amazed how much slimmer. God, it's difficult holding 2 drones. This is pretty slim, and I was amazed with the battery as well, whereas this one, when you look at it, look at this, come on, this one here looks a little bit more chunkier than this one. Yeah, I was quite amazed how slim it is compared to this. So I don't know if you recognise, but the second part of that video with the flight, I changed it over to the Neo 2, because what I'd done, because I've never flown this drone before, and especially until today, and I took out the Avata 360, and I put it in single mode, but I did later on change it over to this circular thing, panoramic, anyway. I thought I'm not going to rush the video, guys, for that. I'm going to put out in next FPV Friday, but I thought on this one I'll just make it a little bit entertaining, innit? Because I crashed it, but thankfully I didn't crash this one, because the other thing I haven't got yet is a lens repair kit, which I must order one day. Now, one thing I will say before I finish this video, I don't like this bit. Why they've done this? They've done this on the older drones. This flap is where you put your charge in, and obviously you can put your SD card in there as well. But I don't like that idea. I think that's a bit, I don't know, I think they rushed that bit, because trying to shut that is just a pain. And to be honest, I can see me forgetting about shutting this flap unless I just pull it off, because it's really bugging me. I haven't seen anybody moaning about that, but then I'm an old bloke, so I suppose that's what I moan about, isn't it? Yeah, I don't like that flap. Anyway, so this is the landing pad. I reckon there's got to be, get that bug off it, there's got to be a way of doing it. And I was expecting it to be difficult. I do quite like that, that's quite good. bit of a short clip there. I did. The thing is, do you remember this drone? Do you remember that drone? That flip. And what I liked about it, well, I didn't like anything about it, to be honest. I mean, it's a drone, admittedly, but I didn't like it. But do I like this drone? God, it's hard. Do I like this drone more than this one? At the moment, I don't know, because obviously you've only had one day of flying, whereas this one I had quite a lot, but I didn't like this from the start. So saying that, comparing this to this, nah, I love it. I can't say I love it, but because I love it on its first, everything went right. Everything what it was supposed to do happened. That's the main thing. There's a couple of things I forgot to check on this. I forgot to check how much storage it used. So that would be interesting to see if did it gobble it all up, because I did put it into 8K eventually. That'd be interesting to see when I get back and check the card. But because it's run out of power now, I can't do that. But yeah, poor old Flip. Sorry, mate. I thought you might have had a companion because I waited so long for this drone. Can you believe it? 2 months I waited for that. I mean, I lost the enthusiasm. When DJI contacted me, I think it's on Friday, to say it's in the Netherlands now. It'll be shipped very soon. And then I got a message from DHL, my carrier company, and they said, it's coming. And I was, okay, whatever. But once I got the box, I was excited then. So yeah, you're obviously going to say hello mo with this on an FPV Friday, guys. And if there's anything you want me to do, as long as it ain't too stupid, I'll give it a go. But yeah, happy. So, what I'm going to do now, I'm not going to say that word sooner, because I've got something better than sooner. So yeah, go on, go for it. See you sooner. Sooner.
Just like Shaun the drone. See you sooner.
Sooner.
Just like till life ended. See you sooner. With the Roberts. See you sooner. Pictures of Suffolk. See you sooner.
See you sooner. Gonna see you sooner. See you sooner. Gonna see you sooner.